This is the OPPO A57s, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the VPN/proxy connection absolutely for free on this device. So first of all, launch the Play Store. We will be using the free application called Turbo VPN, so let's just go ahead and get it. Now launch it. After that, accept and agree on the terms and privacy policy and continue. After that, well, skip the ad or close the ad. In order to establish the VPN connection, tap on this little caret icon over here and grant the Turbo VPN app the required permissions. After that, you want to, you do not want to, but you can change the server that it uses. Automatically it always sets the most optimal one, but if you want to go for some particular country or city, you can go for it. There is quite a wide choice you have even at the free version of this app. So in order to change the server, just tap on it, tap on the desired one that you would like to connect to. Once you are done with any task you are doing, tap on this cross sign and choose the disconnect option in order to terminate the VPN connection. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.